Hello parents, this is an announcement for the date change for our First Communion here at St. Justin Martyr English ceremony. We apologize for any inconvenience that this will cause your family, but we would like to know that we had changed the date that we had programmed for First Communion on August 15th and August 22nd to the new date. The new date is September 12th and September 19th. Please come in 30 minutes before the ceremony to check in. Mass stays the same at 10 in the morning. We have good news, and the good news is that we'll have a professional photographer who will be taking pictures for the children and will be taking the pictures during communion. Will be available for pictures before and after for family portraits. His name is Martyr and his phone number is 714-265-5870. He's been taking our pictures for the last 10 years. Please call him for more information. His packages are very good pricing, very affordable for the family. He will be available an hour before the ceremony and a couple hours after for you to take family pictures. Once again, we apologize for the inconvenience that the change in the date has caused you, but we believe that we have a responsibility to protect the health of every one of you. And with the cases of COVID-19 increasing, we're hoping by September the numbers decreases and there is less cases in Orange County. We will be praying and waiting for the special day, and would like to let you know that there is no other change to the guidance that we sent on the previous videos, with the exception of the new dates. Please sign up to the new dates that we are offering in September, since the ones in August will not be available anymore. Thank you and have a wonderful afternoon.